Hi, GoodGolf here and welcome to this video on tree assets. Because of the May Madness sale, I finally took the step to buy a Speedtree 8-pack and decided to do a quick review. I'm comparing it with M-Tree and Nature Manufacture's Mountain Tree pack with some surprising results. Expensive and nice results apparently still don't go hand in hand in the Unity Asset Store. So let's start with the Speedtree pack. With the May Madness discount it's still expensive, but it promises to be a high quality asset. Unfortunately there's no upgrade price from earlier Speedtree packages you bought, so a discount is something to look out for. I dropped the trees on a plane and immediately you see some strange artifacts. Since there's no documentation included in the package, I checked the Unity forum and the Speedtree forum, and if it's a known problem or a solution is out there, well, it's carefully hidden. I do assume this will be fixed in the near future and I will post an update when I find a solution, because the parts which do show properly are gorgeous to look at. But for now the price-quality ratio isn't great. Next up is the M-Tree asset, which features a set of different trees, and the big differentiator is the editing mode included in this package. No subscription needed. And you can customize the textures too if you want. If you look at the demo, perhaps there's some room for improvement. I'm not convinced about the coloring of the trees and some of the LOD effects. However, the author is active in his forum and his asset shows some great promise. Last but not least is the Mountain Pack by Nature Manufacture. This asset is not expensive and like always with this team the quality is good. When you run the demo scene you immediately see the basic tree and leaf quality. Judge for yourself. Yes, this asset only contains firs, but it contains a lot of them. If you want more variety, you can buy another asset pack and still be cheaper off than with the other assets. Editing the trees, like in the other assets, is not included though. Okay, so here's the comparison. You will not be surprised I will not be spending more money on Speedtree for a while, before I'm sure the quality improves. Also, the lack of the upgrade path for older versions, like some sort of a discount, is holding me back. Perhaps I also need to take a look at the modeler for a month and see if that convinces me. The M3 asset is simply a lot of fun to use. I can surely recommend this asset. Do you want quality trees without a hassle? Then just go for Nature Manufacture. These trees are also prepared for Vegetation Studio, so good results are almost guaranteed. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, then please vote it up.